Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the most beautiful lecturer, Miss Lydia, and good morning to all of my friends. We are from Group 10, would like to present about corporate social responsibility. Before we start, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Sonia Sapira, student number 211011083, and my friends Dinda Hernanda, student number 211011064, who will discuss CSR. The first material will be delivered by me, Sonia. First, what is CSR? Corporate social responsibility is a management concept whereby companies integrate social and environmental concern in their business operation and interaction with their stakeholders. Second, what is the purpose of CSR? The purpose of corporate social responsibility for business: 1. Contribute to the development of the environment and the surrounding community. 2. Recruit qualified and potential human research. 3. Differentiate the company from competitors. And then maintain good relation with communities outside the company. And the last, maintain good relation with stakeholders outside the company. The third, business benefit of CSR. As corporate social responsibility can also boost a firm's competitiveness, the business benefit of corporate social responsibility include the following. First, a way to build new and better relationship with clients, and then to attract and retain quality employees, and then to have a great impact on the community, and then to test and identify new business opportunities, and the last, to build a great reputation. And then 4 dimensions of CSR. Corporate social responsibility is traditionally broken into 4 categories. First, an environmental responsibility. Second, ethical responsibility. Third, philanthropic responsibility. And 4, economic responsibility. And then category of CSR. Corporate social responsibility is traditionally broken into 4 categories. First, environmental responsibility. Environmental responsibility refers to the belief that organizations should behave in as environmentally friendly a way as possible. It's one of the most common forms of corporate social responsibility. Some companies use the term environmental stewardship to refer to such initiative. Companies that seek to embrace environmental responsibility can do so in several ways: reducing pollution, greenhouse gas emission, the use of single-use plastic, water consumption, and general waste, and then increasing reliance on renewable energy, sustainable research, and recycle or partially recycled materials. And then offsetting negative environmental impact, for example, by planting trees, funding research, and donating to related causes. And the next material will be read by Dinda.
2. Ethical responsibility. Ethical responsibility is concerned with ensuring an organization is operating in a fair and ethical manner. Organizations that embrace ethical responsibility aim to achieve fair treatment of all stakeholders, including leadership, investors, employees, suppliers, and customers. Firms can embrace ethical responsibility in different ways. For example, a business might set its own higher minimum wage if the one mandated by the state of or a federal government doesn't constitute a livable wage. Likewise, a business might require that products, ingredients, materials, or components be sourced according to free trade standards. In this regard, many firms have processes to ensure they're not purchasing products resulting from slavery or child labor. 3. Philanthropic responsibility. Philanthropic responsibility refers to a business aim to actively make the world and society a better place. In addition to acting as ethically and environmentally friendly as possible, organizations driven by philanthropic responsibility often decide a portion earnings, while many firms donate to charities and nonprofits that align with their building missions. Other to causes that don't directly relate to their business. Others go so far as to create their own charitable trust of or organization to give back. For economic responsibility. Economic responsibility is the practice of a firm making all of its financial decisions in its commitment to do good in the areas listed above. The end goal is not to simply maximize profits, but positively impact to the environment, people, and society. 6. Example of CSR. Starbucks commitment to ethical sourcing. Starbucks launched its first corporate social responsibility report in 2002 with the goal of becoming as well known for its CSR initiative as for its products. One of the ways the brand has fulfilled this goal is through ethical sourcing. In 2050, Starbucks verified that 99% of its coffee supply chain is ethically sourced, and it seeks to boost that figure to 100% through continue of efforts and partnership with local coffee farmers and organizations. The brand bases its approach on coffee and farmer equity coffee practice, one of the coffee industry's first set of ethical sourcing standards created in collaboration with Conservation International. CAFE assists coffee farms against specific economic, social, and environmental standards, ensuring Starbucks can source its product while maintaining a positive social impact. For its work, Starbucks was named one of the world's most ethical companies in 2000 and 2021 by Ethisphere.
So that's all from us about CHR, or corporate social responsibility. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.